Okay, you guys, we're doing it. I'm cleaning off the lens. We're locking in. It's time for the traditional 2025 what I got for Christmas video. If you're new to my channel, I've been making YouTube videos for the past 11 years, and this is my 11th what I got for Christmas video. I'll try to link them all down below. You can see what I got every single year. I film these not to be like, oh my god, look what I got, but more to show you guys some really awesome gift ideas, because in my family, our love language is gift giving, and we give a lot of gifts to people and we receive a lot of gifts. We also just don't buy anything for ourselves all year long, and we just wait patiently for Christmas. Obviously very grateful for all these things. I always like to remind people, everybody does Christmas differently. In our family, we literally wrap up spices and random stuff, and I tried to cut some of that out of the video because honestly overwhelmed this year by the amount of things that I got. And I think the reason that there's so much is because this is my first year in a house that I bought all by myself. There was many things that we kind of needed, so it was a very practical Christmas. We're just gonna jump right into it. If you guys have seen these videos for many years on my channel, you'll know that we always start with my stocking, and I was blessed to have 3 stockings this year because I got a stocking filled by my boyfriend, filled by Santa, and filled by my boyfriend's parents. I mixed their gifts in with everything else because I don't have that stocking here, but I have my childhood stocking, adorable stocking that my boyfriend filled. Everybody asked me where we got these stockings. They're from West Elm, and they have little skiers on it, which is very me. We're gonna do the speedy time lapse of what I got in these stockings. I hope you guys enjoyed the little speed version of the stockings. A bonus point for my boyfriend who wrote me a handwritten card in my stocking, which made me tear up on Christmas. We're gonna do a couple Secret Santa gifts / friend gifts, and then we'll just jump into the categories. Gifts from my best friend Katie. She got me from Anthropology. It's got a bunch of skiers on it. It's a giant water bottle. This now lives in my cart and helps me stay hydrated. She also got me from Italy a Murano glass charm that I need to put on a little necklace. We have matching ones with her sister and with her. She also got me a mala candle called Cereal, and it smells like cereal, and I'm obsessed with it. Her little sister Jamie got me the most thoughtful gift. She knows I just got this house and I don't have a return address, so I'm not gonna show you guys what it is, but it's a stamp with the return address of my house and my name on it. Very thoughtful. Thank you so much, Jamie. My work Secret Santa, I knew it was someone I knew well, and it ended up being my coworker Helen. First of all, got me a set of matching pajamas. These have little skiers. This is actually the white version of the PJs that I'm wearing now that my mom got me, but this is the short sleeve shirt, a little pair of matching shorts, and it says "Tis the Skis-in." She also got me my favorite candy, Nerds Gummy Clusters, a little to-do list, and from West Elm, an adorable skier mug that matches a plate that I already have. So thank you, Helen. We did another Secret Santa with our friend group. I got my friend Jason, who coaches with me. This was probably one of the most thoughtful gifts I got. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of it. It is some real wood that he found on a hike from the Mount Hood Lookout cabin, and him and his amazing girlfriend Maddie turned it into a piece of art. It's so beautiful. He also gave me like the original picture of the cabin up on Mount Hood, picture of him on the hike where he found the wood, and a QR code to watch a whole documentary about the cabin. I love the history. Thank you so much, Jason. Oh, and he got me a Chalet all day candle. Okay, we're gonna dive into the book and game stationery section. I'm not gonna show you guys a picture of it, but my boyfriend's mom got me the cutest puzzle of my boyfriend and I, like pictures from a lot of the trips that we went on this year. It's 1,000 pieces of us, and it's really cute. She also got me in my stocking 3 Le Pens in these gorgeous green tones. She knows green is my favorite color, and I love Le Pen. It's perfect because on my 2026 goal list, I put that I wanted to journal more, but I needed like an easy way to journal without spending like hours writing. So my aunt got me the 3 question journal. It's kind of like a form of a gratitude journal. It's super cute. And then my amazing boyfriend got me, cross out my last name, got me this amazing gratitude journal, and it has my name on it right down here, which is really cool. It's a beautiful journal with like a bunch of affirmations. That was really sweet. Katie and Henry got my boyfriend and I the couples game, which is a bunch of questions. We love playing games like this. My mom got me 2 books about nurses. I'm excited about this one. It's called Every Patient Tells a Story, Medical Mysteries and the Art of Diagnosis. Christmas, and the person who wrote it is a technical advisor to House MD. I also got Kamala Harris's book from my Uncle Dana, and then I got 2 cookbooks. One is from my boyfriend. He got me this salad-free cookbook, which is hilarious because salads are my favorite food, and my best friend Leah got me the soup cookbook, which she knows I love making soups. Our next category is ornaments. This is my first year in my house. Got a tree, so I'm going to show you a couple of them that I got. My uncle got me this ballerina pig from Denmark. My mom got me a vintage light-up tree ornament. She also got me this adorable house ornament with my address, and it says my first house 2025. Doug got me a little skiing mouse. Okay, I'm gonna try to cover this up. I'm not showing you guys much here, but it says my first Christmas, my address in my new house, and then it is my name and my boyfriend's name in 2025, and it's shaped like a heart, which was very sweet. Another one of my favorites, charcuterie ornament. Enough said. I'm not taking this out of the box, but she also got me a pickle ornament because every family needs a pickle, so you can decide who's gonna open the first gift on Christmas. We're gonna go to the workout section. My boyfriend hooked it up because we are creating a home gym with a bunch of awesome things. He got me a grippy weighted medicine ball. This one is so awesome, and the texture is 10 out of 10. He also got me some 15 and 10 pound weights because he only had 20 pound weights, and when I was doing the overhead presses, I thought I was gonna tear something. Not pictured. He also got me a wooden box jump, but he's yet to set it up, so I feel like that wouldn't be super exciting to show, but I am really excited to use it. One of my favorite gifts of Christmas, he got me a Bosu ball, and it's a beautiful like matte black one, which I've never seen. I thought they only had blue, but I am so hyped to work on this. We've already been doing squats and core stuff, and I'm excited to do tuck holds. It's a ski racing thing. I don't know. Hyped about this. We're gonna do the first half of the home stuff, and then we'll go on to clothing, and then we'll do the second half because there's a lot of home stuff, but it's all practical and wonderful. From my Uncle Dana from our place, he got me a grill press. This is gonna be so handy because I love making grilled cheese. I didn't have one of those. I was using a butter dish for many years. Another one of my favorite gifts of Christmas, my dad got us a Google Nest thermostat. This is gonna be very convenient because after seeing electrical and gas bills over the past month, it has stressed me out a little bit. I need to be able to connect to my phone, and then if I'm in bed or running errands and it's taking longer than I thought, or I forgot to turn off the heat while I went to work, I can just do it from my phone. This is gonna change my life and hopefully save me a lot of money. So thank you, Doug. From my mom, my big gift, as you guys probably can see staring at this, we got a king comforter plus duvet cover in this beautiful material. This is their Airweave crinkle cotton sham. It's in the color stone. We got the shams, the duvet cover, and the comforter because my boyfriend and I fight over not having enough material on our queen duvet. I don't know why it's so short. It like barely goes over the bed. My Uncle Dana got me this. It is a gold bath tray. So we can read a book, have a snack in the bath. This will be perfect because everything in that bathroom is gold. Very thoughtful. My mom got me the Mark and Graham ski blanket, but it's got a bunch of skiers, and it's really beautiful wool blanket that I'll probably have for many, many years. We're gonna go on to like the home slash beauty section of my gifts. My amazing boyfriend got me Aesop. This is one of my biggest surprises of Christmas. I was so impressed by him. This is a beautiful, it's called the Bathroom Abundance. Whoa, I mean, the packaging of this stuff is just 10 out of 10. The man has good taste. We went on a trip together and used this hand soap, and it changed my life. So he got me it. Thank you so much. My boyfriend's mom also got me some shower steamers in my stocking. Love these. Also in my stocking, she knows me so well, and my favorite store is Anthropologie, and she literally got me a delightfully scented green candle. It smells like Christmas. Thank you so much, Barb. While we're on the topic of amazing gifts that she got me, in my stocking, she got me these 2 adorable Anthropologie glasses. I have been seeing this collection. You guys have been sending it to me. I wanted it so badly, but I couldn't justify buying it. But she got me these 2 adorable glasses in my stocking. This one says Star of the Slopes, and it has a little bunny who's skiing. And then this one says Après Ski, and it says Chamonix, which is a place where my boyfriend went skiing. So pretty cool. Also in the candle department, my boyfriend got me a replacement of the Anthropologie volcano candle. This is our core candle that we burn in the house. And when I finished burning it, I was really sad. So thank you so much for replenishing the scent of our home. The last beauty-ish type gift that I got is from my mom, and it's kind of funny because she made fun of me for buying this, and then she got me a refill of my favorite shampoo. This is the Roz shampoo. It's kind of expensive, but she said she found it on sale. I did not get the conditioner, so I'm gonna have to use that sparingly still, but at least my hair will be thoroughly washed. Okay, we're going into the kitchen goods department and food. My aunt always bakes with me, and she got me a replacement of my orange blossom water and my real Madagascar vanilla extract, so thank you so much, Marley. My mom got me a new peeler. My aunt got me some more basil. Santa got me chocolate. My My boyfriend got me hot sauce, and many people got me tea, which is great because I am almost out and I drink it multiple times a day. The last two kitchen-y gifts I got, Madisen, I don't know how you say it, Madisen utility knife. This is my aunt's favorite knife that she uses all the time. I'm not surprised. This knife is actually beautiful. I love a quality knife. You know you're a real adult when this just makes you smile. And then the last gift I got, I don't even remember who gave this to me. Maybe my mom or my dad, but a little condiment container set so that I can pack more little dips for work. We're gonna switch categories into more of the ski category. My boyfriend's parents got me some Hottie hand warmers, which will be put to good use. My parents got me a red wax, a purple wax, and a new scraper. And then I loved this gift so much. My mom found this. It is called a defogger, and it's like a little sponge to help you defog the inside of your windshield. This is gonna be so practical after my car has been sitting out in the resort parking lot all day, getting all steamy and gross, and then I just like want to drive and go home and I don't want to wait for it to defrost. In my stocking, my boyfriend's family also hooked it up with a new snow brush and scraper. This is super nice and I can't wait to just keep this in my car and always have it ready to scrape my car. It's time for the clothing category. I got 2 new pairs of underscrubs, 2 new beanies, including this one from Ski Like a Girl, which is so adorable. I got 2 vests. This one is more for work. It's a Patagonia better sweater vest and in this beautiful color. I don't have a vest like this and I wear a vest every single day to work. Very excited about that. It also washes really well, which is really nice. And then maybe more for like skiing and my outdoorsy life, I got this gorgeous lilac Patagonia vest. I'm so hyped to wear this with that purple hat. This is the color of my ski team as well, so it's literally perfect. If I want to mix up my hats, my boyfriend got me a Skeeta hat that is also purple. My uncle got me a beanie from Denmark. Got a new pair of compression socks. My mom got me this adorable Abercrombie shirt that she found on sale with all of the ski lodges and little resort tickets on it. And then I got 2 sweaters. This one's from Abercrombie. It's just a beautiful like gray green color, very thick and nice. I don't have a lot of sweaters, so I'm really excited about that. And then I forgot I had tried this on with her. I wanted this Madewell sweater so badly because it was so cozy and soft, and she went back and got it, which was very sweet, so thank you, Mom. And then she also went back and got 2 pairs of Madewell jeans that I tried on that absolutely were so comfy and I wanted so badly. Probably the piece of clothing that I'm most excited about came from my boyfriend's family. It is the most beautiful Viore set that I have ever seen in my entire life. They're like an indigo blue, but they're just so gorgeous. And then, so there's a pair of leggings and a matching sports bra, and then this absolutely stunning little puffer vest. I am so excited to wear this. You have no idea. Thank you so much, Barb and Mike. That was very thoughtful and I was very surprised. They also got me a pair of Sorel slippers that are so fuzzy and soft. I cannot wait to wear these after a day of skiing. I'm gonna bring them to my little ski chalet that we all rent. It's time to hit the final section. My aunt got me some Williams and Sonoma dishcloths. These are always so handy, especially when I have to hand wash all my dishes right now. My dad got me the handy heater. It's a plug-in heater and he says this thing works really well, and so we're definitely gonna be testing this out in the garage or if I'm getting ready for work and I don't want to turn like the full heater on. Also from Doug, got me a super long extension cord because I've been stealing his for months now. Another Doug practical gift. He got me this set, the Ultimate Organization Pack from Rapid. This is just a bunch of different straps, keep everything organized. You guys have probably been staring at this for a while. He got me the Ryobi 1 gallon wet dry vacuum. I really wanted a shop vac. It's so handy. Also a part of the Ryobi family, he got me my own electric blower because I have been stealing his so frequently and we have so many pine needles around the house that I literally just like, I need a blower available to me at all times. Thank you so much, Doug. This will change our lives. This is so cute. He got me a tiny little drawer set toolkit, and this is actually for all my ski wax stuff so that I have like all my waxing tools in each drawer and I cannot wait to organize them. Both of my parents got me the 0G Future of Advanced Hose Design 100-foot long hose. This is to replace the hose in my backyard because I replaced the one in my front. I have a lot of plants and it's really hard and not fun to water them when the hose is so heavy and hard to put away. So thank you so much, Mom and Dad. They helped me water when I was out of town and they felt the struggle. My dad got me this cool mat. I saw it today at Costco if you guys are in the market. It is actually made out of a bunch of Nike shoes that have been recycled, and it's called the Endurance Boot Tray. I'm gonna use this in the garage just when we have like wet shoes or dripping skis. The water can drip down and sit in this tray and then evaporate. This is what I really wanted to show you guys. You can probably see from where you are. I'm not gonna unbox it, but it is a metal hose reel and it's super nice. My parents have one, some of our family friends have one, and I'm obsessed with it. So it makes putting away the hose so much easier and so much faster. So thank you so much, Mom and Dad. I'm very excited about this. This is so random, but you guys know my father is just the king of random gifts. This is a giant, I'm gonna describe it like a sticky note. Each layer you peel off has like a sticky surface. So when you're having a party and everyone's walking in with their shoes, it actually like the stickiness takes all the dirt and pine needles off of their shoes so they don't drag it through your house. So I'm very excited to be using this at my next party. Thank you, Doug. I think we're in the final few gifts. We're going to the big gifts, but this isn't a big gift, but it was really important to me. My mom got me a disposable camera. She knows how much I love taking pictures, and disposables are just like stress-free, memory capturing. These things are expensive, so thank you, Mom. I've been asking for one of these for many years, and I hate buying them for myself, so that made my day. On to my final 3 big gifts. My amazing aunt and uncle got me an Apple Watch. They actually got me my original one. I think I've had mine for like 4 years, and it no longer survives a 12-hour shift. And since I use my Apple Watch probably the most for 12-hour shifts and working out and skiing, I needed it to last a full shift. So my aunt got me a new one. I'm so grateful for this because it literally helps me take the best care of my patients. I take respirations on it. I'm able to keep track of like when meds are due and when pumps are going to be beeping. And then the other 2 gifts are so big, I couldn't even bring them into the room. So I'm going to insert a picture of them. The first one, I will insert a picture of me on it before I open the gift. This is from my amazing boyfriend. He got me such a cool tool shed. Right now, all of our tools are sitting outside under a tarp in my backyard. And so we are very excited to expand the storage in our house and be able to have a place for everything to take care of the space. So thank you so much to my boyfriend for surprising me with that, and to his parents for wrapping it up so nicely and like still keeping it a surprise, because I was like so confused what was in this giant box. My dad, I thought like Christmas was over. I had been spoiled and I did not need anything else. But my dad remembered there's something I really wanted. That is a ski waxing bench slash like workbench for my garage. He totally surprised me and my mom, which is so funny because my mom got a TV for Christmas, and so I thought we were going into the garage to like give her surprise, and my mom knew that I got the workbench for Christmas, so she thought we were going into the garage for my surprise. So we're both like, you go first, no, you go first. And when I walked in, my mom didn't even notice her TV because she was like so watching me and my surprise. I'm gonna put a picture. I think my dad and I are gonna go put it in my garage right now, so I'm gonna try to insert a picture right here of it, and I'm just so grateful. This will be something that's a part of my life for many years, and it's gonna help me take good care of my skis and help my boyfriend and I work on so many projects. Merry Christmas, you guys. I can't believe it has already been 365 days since I filmed one of these, and so much has changed. Last year, my What I Got for Christmas video was not this exciting, and I had a very different Christmas. I feel just very grateful in my life to have a place to call home, people that I love, be healthy, have a job that I love. That's the dream. Give this video a thumbs up if you got a gift idea for someone you love in your life from this video. I want you guys to comment down below what your favorite gift you gave or received was. I love you guys so much. I will talk to you in the new year with many more exciting videos to come. Bye.
I don't wanna say just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your weight? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow when you're making